Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the topic, overnight hair growth hacks. We all dream of having longer and healthier hair, and while there are no miracle solutions, there are some natural tricks that can help promote hair growth while you sleep. First things first, before we talk about any hacks, let's discuss the importance of a good night's sleep. Your body does most of its repairing and growing during deep sleep, and this includes your hair. So, make sure you're getting those recommended 7-9 hours of sleep every night for optimal hair health. One of the easiest hacks you can try is a scalp massage. Using your fingertips, gently massage your scalp in circular motions for about 5-10 minutes before bedtime. This increases blood circulation to the hair follicles, promoting hair growth. Switching to a silk pillowcase is another simple but effective hack. Unlike cotton pillowcases, silk causes less friction and reduces hair breakage, helping your hair stay healthier while you sleep. Essential oils like lavender, rosemary, and peppermint can be beneficial for hair growth. You can mix a few drops with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, and apply it to your scalp. These oils have properties that nourish hair follicles and may help with overnight hair growth. Consider applying a hair mask before bedtime. Ingredients like aloe vera, egg yolk, or castor oil can provide deep nourishment to your hair while you sleep. Just make sure to cover your hair with a shower cap or towel to avoid a mess. Sleeping with your hair in tight hairstyles like ponytails or braids can put stress on your hair and scalp. Instead, opt for loose, comfortable hairstyles or let your hair down to reduce tension while you sleep. So there you have it, some practical overnight hair growth hacks to help you on your journey to healthier, longer hair. Remember, patience is key when it comes to hair growth, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Consistency with these hacks can make a difference over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and hair care tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.